Not every crack in a porcelain countertop is caused by impact. In many cases, the real issue begins during the installation. In this video, you can clearly see a large unsupported groove beneath the countertop, something that should never exist in a properly assembled surface. This lack of support created a weak point at the corner of the island. When someone naturally leaned on the edge, the pressure was concentrated in that unsupported area. Without proper reinforcement, the stress caused the porcelain to crack. But this video doesn't just show the problem, it shows the solution. Watch how our skilled and professional technician carefully restores the damaged area, blending and blurring the crack until it becomes a clean, seamless, and beautiful repair. Because true quality isn't just in fixing the surface, it's in understanding what caused the damage and restoring it the right way.
Oh, nice.